Title: The Magical Christmas Comet. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between snow-covered hills, there lived two best friends named Emma and Jake. Christmas was their favorite time of the year, and they couldn't wait to see what surprises awaited them on the magical day of December 25th. On Christmas Eve, as Emma and Jake were decorating their Christmas tree with twinkling lights and shiny ornaments, something extraordinary happened. A bright light filled their living room, and a shimmering comet appeared outside their window. It wasn't just any comet, it was the magical Christmas comet that only visited once every 100 years. Excitement bubbled within Emma and Jake as they bundled up in warm coats and scarves, rushing outside to follow the comet. With each step, the air around them tingled with magic, and they found themselves in a winter wonderland like no other. The magical Christmas comet led them through enchanted forests and snowy meadows, sprinkling a trail of stardust in its wake. Along the way, they encountered talking snowmen, playful reindeer, and even a group of mischievous yet friendly elves who offered them hot cocoa and gingerbread cookies. As Emma and Jake journeyed further, they reached the heart of the Christmas comet's magic. There, they discovered a quaint little village adorned with sparkling lights and festive decorations. In the center of the village stood a majestic Christmas tree that sparkled with colors never seen before. The village was home to the Christmas spirit, a jolly and kind-hearted figure who explained that the magical Christmas comet had chosen Emma and Jake to spread joy and happiness to everyone in their town. The Christmas spirit entrusted them with special gifts that would bring warmth and cheer to the hearts of those they met. Armed with their magical gifts, Emma and Jake returned to their town, and a wave of enchantment followed them. They visited every home, sharing laughter, smiles, and their special gifts with friends and neighbors. The town came alive with the spirit of Christmas, and even the grumpiest of characters couldn't resist the joy that filled the air. As the night unfolded, Emma and Jake realized that the true magic of Christmas was not in the gifts or decorations but in the love and kindness they shared with others. The magical Christmas comet, satisfied with their efforts, soared back into the night sky, leaving behind a trail of stardust that twinkled like a promise of everlasting joy. On Christmas morning, as the sun rose and painted the sky with hues of pink and gold, Emma and Jake woke up to find their town transformed. The spirit of Christmas lingered in the air, and everyone felt a sense of gratitude and love. And so, every year, the tale of Emma and Jake's adventure with the magical Christmas comet was passed down from generation to generation, reminding the children of the town that the true magic of Christmas lies in the kindness we share with one another.